Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by creating a Spring Boot app with the Oauth client and resource server dependencies. Once done, register your app at the provider and copy client ID and client secret. Then edit application. IML to declare Spring. Security. Oauth2. Client. Registration. Provider with redirectory, scopes, and client credentials. Make sure provider endpoints for authorization, token, and user info are correct. This first action ties the app to the provider and enables the authorization code flow, which is the only secure way for server-side apps to obtain tokens. Next, implement a security filter chain bean that enables Oauth2 login for interactive sign-in and also configures resource server. If the app consumes APIs, you should provide a custom Oauth2 user service to translate provider attributes into your application's user principal and authorities, because default mappings often differ. For API calls, validate tokens using JWT decoder for JWT tokens or opaque token introspector for opaque tokens. Also wire a granted authorities mapper if you need role translation. These middle steps ensure tokens are verified and user identity is correctly established in Spring Security. Finally, test the full flow. Initiate login, confirm the provider redirects with an authorization code, and verify Spring exchanges it for tokens. Implement post-login processing such as creating or updating your local user and storing refresh tokens securely if you require long sessions. Add logout handling and token revocation to avoid stale sessions. If something breaks, first check redirect URIs, scopes, client credentials, and cores. Errors there are the most common. One troubleshooting tip: enable debug logging for org. Spring Framework, security to see handshake and token exchange details.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.